Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by equipping the right tools. Pick a survivor class that lets you move and control space. Once done, prioritize attack speed, sprint, and mobility items so you can reliably reach enemies. Make sure to slot a high damage or crowd control item to stagger groups before stomp attempts. You will approach fights aggressively. This setup ensures your head stomp will land and finish targets quickly rather than glancing misses that waste the window for follow-up. You now close the gap. Start engagements with area damage or crowd control to reduce health and movement. Once targets are softened, use sprint, mobility skills, or double jump to position yourself directly above the enemy. Alignment is crucial. Time the head stomp on your descent so the contact registers as a finishing blow. This maximizes proc chances and item interactions. Keep moving between attempts and reevaluate target priority. Focusing squishier or staggered enemies increases successful stomps and net damage. You complete the sequence by following up a landed head stomp with high-volume AoE or an escape to avoid counterattacks. Once done, cycle to the next target quickly and manage cooldowns so you always have a stomp or mobility ready for the next encounter. If stomps are consistently missing, make simple fixes. Adjust drop height, delay your input slightly to match hit registration, or rebind keys for faster responsiveness. These small tweaks often correct timing and hitbox issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.